Hi, let's go over how to do a job title comparison for the highest paying jobs in the state of Utah. Click the job title menu and then select highest paid jobs. Our data science team has curated a list of the highest paying jobs because there's a lot of different spellings of various job titles across the state. We've already aggregated all of them here for you to make life a little easier. So from those curated lists, you can select, for instance, attorney. Let's then click submit. And now we can get some cool statistics about attorneys across the state of Utah. We got 5,169 observations. The mean total compensation was 127,000. Standard deviation was 59,000. And we can see percentiles. If we scroll down, we can see a histogram of the breakdown. We can see there's some outliers here at the edge. And we can also scroll down and see the data as well that corresponds to this. If we scroll up a little bit, we can apply some filters. For example, we may want specific types of attorneys. In this case, there's only 9 instances of appellate attorneys in the state of Utah. Let's deselect that. We can also filter to specific employees to see how they stack against the group. For instance, let's do the first element. You can see that there. We can also filter to specific government types. Let's select city. We can see the city mean is just a little bit higher than the average for the entire data set. We can filter to specific entities. Let's do Beaver County. Beaver's a little bit higher than the entire state. We can also filter to specific years. Maybe we only want to look at 2023 since it's the most recent year. We can see that's quite a bit higher than the data set, and we would hope, right, that we would want to see wages trending upwards. We can also filter to just wages only rather than the entire compensation. So wages only changes this information a little bit. We can also just look at benefits as well. If the data is really skewed, you can also apply a log normal transform. Here's an example. Though it does make the data a little harder to read, it is helpful to kind of see that distribution broken down a little easier. If you have any questions on how to use this page, feel free to reach out to the Transparent Utah team. Thank you.